Hi guys, it's finally 3 a.m. Bear is still awake, Hayes is still awake, I'm still awake, Flash isn't awake, Max isn't awake probably. And we're gonna be seeing what's going on in freaking 3 a.m. tonight, right Bear?
Yep.
So I don't know
so
what
tired.
we're gonna be doing. Why are you tired, Hayes?
I don't know. I'm just very tired.
There's not really much to do.
Yeah.
Well, like earlier, guys, when like I didn't have the camera on, like bro, like in the living room, like there was like a big, like banging noise in there, right, Hayes?
Yeah. And I was like right near the living room.
Bro,
And I got scared.
I did too, bro. I got so freaking scared. Bro, that was creepy. So we may have to watch out tonight. We're gonna try to survive 3 a.m. So let's try to do it.
Because I'm writing the orange. Wait,
What?
hold on. I think I'm in your hole. I won't. I'm just going to. I'm gonna go in your hole, then I'm gonna mine to the side.
Hey guys, there's not
So I
really
mine to the
anything
side.
much to do.
Get out of here, stupid woman.
Peace, guys. There's really